Welcome to Creole and Cajun Living with Bomb Cherry. In this video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the Ninja Storm food processor. And make sure you stick around because I will be showing you how I make a New Orleans style snowball. Okay, as you see, when I open the box, the first thing I notice is the Ninja Storm's recipe book. It is called the Blend Easy, Chop Happy 100 Simple Recipes. Next, I come across instructions and warranty information. While I remove the items from the box to make it easier for us to examine, please make sure, if you haven't already, to hit the thumbs up. Come on, I know you want to. Come on, just hit that button. Just tap on that little button, because I know you want to. Okay, so here are all the items that I've removed from the box. Okay, so they refer to this piece as the master pod, and it is the heaviest thing in the box. Here I have the owner's guide. Inside, it gives you instructions on how to assemble, clean, and maintain this product. This part is called the splash guard, which its name itself is very self-explanatory. Here is the pitcher storage lid. It's to be used if you're storing items within the pitcher itself. Here is the 4-blade assembly. Take a good look at that. Okay, and of course we have a 40-ounce pitcher with a non-slip base. So let's put this together, shall we?
Sob dropped the beat.
Maybe. Okay, let's test it. Let's test it, baby. Let's test it. That's snow, baby. Okay, let's see. So, this is snow. I'm going to take this out. There we go. And we're going to scoop that up like a snowball. I'm going to put that right in there. Okay. Okay, that's snow, pure snow, like a snowball. Okay, and then I got some flavors. This is strawberry flavor, and we're gonna try it. It smells so good. I should do double. I'm gonna do a double, different colors. I have blue raspberry and strawberry, baby. Put some blue on it. Half on it like that. Uh-oh. And we're gonna put some red on it like that.
SobProduction.com